Hey, welcome back to Jung Bus, your go-to spot for all the hottest K-drama and K-pop updates. If you love staying in the loop with the latest current entertainment news, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Alright, Bus Fam, today's news is gonna use Quill with assignments because two fan favorites are teaming up for a brand new drama. Jung Kyung Ho and Ju Yeon have officially been confirmed to start together in TVN's upcoming drama, Pro Bono. And let me tell you, this drama sounds like it's gonna be an absolute ride. So, what's Pro Bono about? Let's break it down. It's a comedy drama. Yes, you heard that right. Comedy. Following a materialistic judge who's all about success and wealth until fate flips the script on him. Jung Kyung Ho will play Kang David, a judge who's basically living his best life. Clean-cut image, flawless work ethic, and guess what? He's even a legal influencer with hundreds of thousands of followers on social media. Talk about a modern-day power figure, right? But just when he's about to hit even bigger success, boom! An unexpected incident ruins everything. He steps down from his high-ranking position and ends up as a public interest lawyer in literally a sunless hallway. Meanwhile, Ju Yeon is playing Park Ki-boom. She is the total opposite of Kang David. She is warm, passionate, and true believer in justice. Ki-boom is the type who falls headfirst into her hobbies, and that deep passion eventually led her into the world of law. She's the kind of lawyer who cares about human rights and fighting for the little guy. And where do they meet? At a non-profit organization called Pro Bono. Together, they team up to use money earned from corporate cases to fund free legal services for victims who can't afford it. It's literally rich people money funding through justice. How cool is that? Imagine the synergy between Kang David, who knows all the tricks of the rich and powerful, and Park Ki-boom, who's all about heart and purpose. Can you already feel the fireworks coming between these two? Now, here's why Pro Bono is getting major buzz already. First, it's written by Moon Yoo-suk, the genius behind The Devil, Judge and Miss Hammurabi. Second, it's directed by Kim Sung-yeon, who gave us iconic hits like Love in the Moonlight, Itaewon Class, and The Sound of Magic. Third, the chemistry between Jung Kyung Ho and Ju Yeon is going to be off the charts, adorable, and intense at the same time. Pro Bono is set to premiere in the second half of 2025, so you better stop making your calendars right now. I honestly cannot wait to see Jung Kyung Ho being chaotic, charming, and a little morally grey, while Ju Yeon brings the soft but fierce lawyer energy. Can you imagine the banter, the accidental teamwork, the slow respect? OMG, this drama is gonna have everything we love. Alright, Bus Fam, now it's your turn. What are you most excited about in Pro Bono? The plot? The cast? Or just seeing a drama that's all about real justice with a dash of comedy? Drop your thoughts in the comment below, and if you love today's update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with your fellow drama lovers. This has been Jung Bus, bringing you the freshest K news faster than you can say 사랑해. See you next time. 안녕.